In this video, I will show you how to connect Bluehost domain to Wix. In order to do that, head over to your Bluehost and then just find in here the domain that you want to use. For example, let's find in here this domain and then you can choose from all of these extensions. Now click on continue once you have chosen one, and then from in here you can also see some search results for this. So you can just choose which one you want to use as your domain. I'll just choose this .store and click on this add to cart option. Now in here you have the option to add the privacy domain protection, or you can remove that if you want to as well. Now click on this proceed option, and then you can see in here the checkout lane. So just head over and then just purchase this particular domain. Now, once you have purchased this domain, next thing you need to do is just head over to your Wix and scroll down, go to your settings, and then after that, just scroll in as well and click on domains. Now, from in there, you should be able to see your domain options. So just enter in here the domain that you have just purchased and click on this let's go. After that, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to link those two together.